First of all, you should know that this is the pattern I discovered, quite by accident in fact. The stock drops and rises every day at around the same time. It doesn't much matter if the drop is very small or very large. What matters is if the rise is $2 or more from the general range it dropped to. This lesson really is the key to the whole course. Pay close attention and rewatch this as many times as needed. As you can see, the graphs have so many different shapes and so forth, but the basic shape of going lower then higher is the pattern I discovered. The real trick, however, is knowing when it is going to go up. Firstly, let's choose a stock to look for a pattern on. These are the requirements I look for. The first thing we need to do is choose a stock that we suspect has a pattern on it. So, search for the top 100 NASDAQ companies. Choose a stock that is in the range of 250 to 650 share price. It may not make sense right now, but the reason for this is that if I buy an option, the share price will only need to rise up about $1.50 for me to make a 3% profit on my investment for the day. This range tends to move in that quantity and allows me to buy affordable options and still get the desired increase in share price. And as a reminder, this strategy is based on the fact that I don't keep my money tied up in the stock market for too long, usually only minutes at a time. This keeps my stress levels low as my money is safe. So I search through the top 100 NASDAQ composite companies and I avoid pharmaceuticals. Okay, Netflix looks workable. I then ask myself if the company has long-term growth well locked in. With Netflix, it's rather easy to know that because it has a product that is not going anywhere anytime soon. If the chosen company was something like cookware with Teflon on it, I wouldn't choose it, even though the graph might look great. Because first of all, I don't support this product since studies are showing that cookware with Teflon on it is very likely very harmful to the users. So this will eventually result in the company's stock price dropping as lawsuits happen, and I believe to some degree in karma, so I don't like to support a harmful product. Similarly, a pesticide company that ignores or hides harmful effects of its products on the population, I don't support. Bad karma. This is one of the major reasons I don't invest in pharma. Too many sketchy things going on. So look for one whose graph is going from the bottom left to the top right over the span of a year or more. Okay, looks like Netflix also satisfies that requirement. Set this into the TradingView ticker. Set the TradingView ticker to 1-second graphs. Type in Netflix. Scroll back and look for the pattern in the first 10 minutes of each trading day. The pattern is the share price drops and goes back up again during this early time. It can be in the first 20 seconds or it can be in several minutes. The pattern is the share price drops and goes back up again during this early time. It can be in the first 20 seconds or it can be several minutes in. The point is that this stock does this every day, and all we need to do is learn to predict it. You don't have to use Netflix, I just chose this one at random. If the chosen stock has this shape each and every day and the rise back up is around $2 or more each time, we have a winner. Look for the pattern. Once one has established that a pattern exists on a stock, this lesson is complete.